Big Rob again, the electrical instructor. And today I want to talk about the three different switches that we kind of use on the regular in the field. I want to talk about the single pole switch. I want to talk about the three-way switch, and I want to talk about the four-way switch. And then I want to talk about how all these three switches kind of work within a residential home. So we're going to start there. Um, and you can use three ways and four ways in a commercial property, but I want to just talk about residential because most of my audience listeners are probably homeowners or people who just want to learn electrical and they just want to get an understanding. So the first start, I want to talk about a single pole switch. So this is a single pole switch, and this single pole switch, it only has two gold screws and a ground screw. So that's the difference from a single pole, three-way, or four-way. It has three terminals. Two are gold for the two hots, one going to the light and one coming in from the power. Because on all switches, all the neutrals are always tied in. You'll never see a neutral on a switch, right? Well, you should never see a neutral on a switch. And then you have a ground screw, and that's for the ground. The other switch that we were talking about is the three-way switch. The three-way switch, if you look at it, right, it has one, two, three, four. It has three terminals and one ground, right? So they call that the three-way switch. That three-way switch has been created to, like, if you have an upstairs, downstairs, and you want to go upstairs, you hit the light, you get upstairs, you turn the light off. That is a three-way switch dynamics. There's a between those two three-way switches, there's a 14-3 or a 12-3 wire in the gauges of 15 amps or 20 amps that will allow you to turn off a light from upstairs or downstairs. So you have to have two three-way switches to do that. You can't have a single pole switch in that diagram or in that schematics. So that's one thing. The other switch is a four-way switch. Now, a four-way switch allows you to put multiple amount of switches within two three-ways. So if you want to be able to turn off from four different areas, you can turn the lights off in 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 different areas. As long as you got two three-ways, you can put as many four-ways in between those three-ways, and it will allow you to turn off the lights from anywhere in the vicinity or the space. And usually these are usually done with commercial properties, and when you have like a big gym and everything, so you can turn the lights off from one side of the gym, on the other side of the gym, on the left lower side of the gym, on the right lower side of the gym. And that's where the four-way switch is. So those are the three switches, if you're a new electrician, that you should know how to wire up. Because a lot of times you're going to see three ways and single poles. Single pole switches is when you come in the room and you hit the switch and it turns off maybe one or two lights. Three-way switch is when you upstairs or downstairs, or if you're on a flat, like in Texas, where they have all the houses are flat, where you may come into the house, turn the lights on in the hallway, and then when you get near the kitchen or near the other side of the house, you can turn it off and go upstairs. So that is it. And the four ways, you very seldom see them in residential homes, but when you do see them, that means there's three or more switches that allow you. But with that four-way switch, there always have to be two three-way switches that sit on the outside. And when you wind up these three ways and four ways, you always have to have a three gauge wire, like a 14-3 or a 12-3 wire. Those are the two wires, American wire gauges that you can use to wire up either a three-way or four-way. Again, this is Big Rob, the author, the electrical instructor. I want y'all to keep coming in, keep learning, keep developing, because we're doing it right here, Electro Mastery. Peace.